Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are most welcome to Asedoskitchen. Today we are making barbecue chicken wings in the air fryer. I cleaned the chicken wings and pat them dry with paper towels and transfer them into a large bowl. For the marinade, I use garlic powder, cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt to taste, and extra virgin olive oil. I also add a quarter cup of sticky sweet barbecue sauce. I usually add onion powder and smoked paprika, but I had run out. I mix until everything is well combined. I'm making this right away because we are having it for lunch. However, let this marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours or longer for the best results. I place the wings in the air fryer in a single layer and cook it for 15 minutes at 180 degrees. I flip the chicken and cook at the same temperature for 10 minutes. I toss and shake the basket, increase to 200 degrees, and cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes. I cooked mine for 5 minutes because my kids prefer the chicken wings moist. Feel free to adjust this final time according to your liking. The wings are now ready to eat, so I transfer them into a clean bowl and set them aside while I make some chips. If preferred, you can drench the wings in more barbecue sauce. I paired the wings with chips and ketchup, and it was delicious. They can be eaten by themselves as a snack or as a side dish, accompanying salads, vegetables, and rice dishes. If you like this recipe, kindly smash the like button and share this video with your friends and family. For many more simple recipes, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be alerted every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.